Aster Buds.
Hey Aster Buds! Welcome to our exciting aquarium journey. Today, we're exploring the vibrant world of freshwater fish that make perfect additions to your home aquarium. From colorful tetras to playful loaches, let's dive in and discover some incredible species. Goldfish. Goldfish is one of the most popular and recognizable freshwater fish in the world, originating from East Asia, particularly China, where they were first domesticated over 1,000 years ago. Goldfish are members of the carp family and are known for their beautiful colors, including shades of gold, orange, white, and even black. Over the centuries, selective breeding has led to a wide variety of fancy goldfish with unique shapes, colors, and fin designs. Goldfish are omnivores and enjoy a varied diet that includes high-quality goldfish pellets, flakes, fresh vegetables like peas and spinach, and occasional live or frozen treats such as brine shrimp or bloodworms. They are hardy and adaptable but thrive best in spacious tanks or ponds with clean, well-oxygenated water. Unlike some tropical fish, goldfish prefer cooler water temperatures ranging from 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 24 degrees Celsius. Depending on their variety, goldfish can grow anywhere from 6 inches to over a foot in length, with larger sizes typically seen in pond-kept goldfish. Their lifespan is impressive, ranging from 10 to 15 years on average, but with excellent care, some have been known to live over 20 years. Goldfish are active and social, often displaying curious behaviors as they explore their environment. They do well with other goldfish in a community but may not be compatible with smaller or slower-moving fish, as goldfish are notorious for nibbling on fins or stealing food. They typically swim in the middle to lower levels of the tank. Fun fact: did you know that goldfish can recognize their owners? These intelligent fish can learn to associate people with food and even perform tricks like swimming through hoops or following fingers outside the tank. They also lack stomachs, which is why they graze frequently and require small, frequent feedings to prevent overeating and digestive issues. Betta. Betta, often called the Siamese fighting fish, is a stunning and iconic freshwater fish native to Southeast Asia, particularly Thailand, Cambodia, and Vietnam. In the wild, bettas inhabit shallow, slow-moving waters such as rice paddies, ponds, and streams, where their ability to breathe air directly from the surface through a specialized organ called the labyrinth organ helps them survive in low-oxygen environments. Bettas are omnivores, and in their natural habitat, they feed on insects, larvae, and small invertebrates. In captivity, they thrive on a diet of high-quality betta pellets, freeze-dried or frozen bloodworms, brine shrimp, and occasional live foods to keep them healthy and vibrant. They are primarily surface feeders, but will also explore the middle layers of the tank. Male bettas are known for their vivid colors and long, flowing fins, while females tend to be less colorful and have shorter fins. Bettas are territorial and should generally be housed alone or with carefully chosen tank mates in a community setup, as males are prone to fighting each other and even chasing fish with similar appearances. Bettas require a tank of at least 5 gallons with a secure lid, as they are known to jump. They prefer warm, stable water with temperatures between 75 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 24 to 27 degrees Celsius, and benefit from a tank decorated with plants and hiding spots. Bettas grow up to 2.5 to 3 inches in length and typically live for 3 to 5 years with proper care. While they are relatively hardy, poor water conditions or overcrowding can lead to stress and health issues. Fun fact: bettas are known for their flaring behavior, where they spread their fins and gill covers to appear larger when they see a rival or their reflection. This dramatic display is both a defense mechanism and a way to establish dominance. Bettas are also surprisingly intelligent and can recognize their owners, learn to follow a finger, and even perform simple tricks like jumping for food. Guppy. Guppy fish is a small, vibrant freshwater fish native to tropical regions of South America, particularly Venezuela, Guyana, and Trinidad. Guppies are omnivores and thrive on a variety of foods, including flake food, live food, and small plant matter. These fish are social creatures and are best kept in groups, as they feel more secure and display more natural behaviors in a school. They generally swim in the middle to top areas of the tank, though they may also occasionally explore the lower levels. Guppies are live bearers, meaning that they give birth to live young instead of laying eggs. This makes them particularly exciting for aquarium owners who enjoy watching the birth of baby fish, called fry. They grow to a maximum length of about 2 inches, with males being smaller than females. Their lifespan is around 2 to 3 years, though they can live longer with proper care. Guppies are popular for their colorful and diverse patterns, with males often displaying brighter colors and more intricate designs compared to females. They are hardy and adaptable, making them an ideal choice for beginner fish keepers. Additionally, guppies are known for their peaceful nature and ability to live harmoniously with a variety of other species in community tanks. Fun fact: guppies are sometimes called millionfish because they breed prolifically. If you keep them in a tank with both males and females, you may find your aquarium quickly becoming full of little guppy fry. Molly. Molly is a lively and hardy freshwater fish native to the warm, slow-moving waters of Central and South America, including rivers, streams, and coastal brackish areas. Molly fish are a popular choice for aquarists because of their peaceful nature, ease of care, and variety of colors and patterns, such as black, Dalmatian, and gold. Mollies are omnivorous and enjoy a varied diet that includes high-quality flakes or pellets, algae-based foods, and fresh vegetables like zucchini or spinach. They may also enjoy occasional live or frozen foods such as brine shrimp or daphnia. Mollies are active mid to upper-level swimmers, often exploring every corner of the tank. These fish are live bearers, meaning they give birth to free-swimming fry rather than laying eggs, which makes them fascinating to observe for aquarists interested in breeding. They thrive in groups of 4 or more and do well in community tanks with other peaceful fish of similar size. Mollies grow to about 3 to 4 inches in length and prefer slightly alkaline water with temperatures between 75 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. They can also adapt to brackish water, making them versatile tank inhabitants. Mollies are known for their energetic personalities and compatibility with a wide range of tank setups. They prefer tanks with plenty of swimming space, live plants, and decorations for hiding and grazing. Fun fact: molly fish are highly social and display fascinating group behaviors in aquariums. Angelfish. Angelfish is a graceful and iconic freshwater fish native to the slow-moving rivers and floodplains of the Amazon basin and other parts of South America. Known for their tall, triangular fins and elegant swimming style, angelfish are a favorite among aquarists and add a striking presence to any aquarium. Angelfish are omnivores, feeding on small invertebrates, plant material, and insect larvae in the wild. In captivity, they thrive on a balanced diet of high-quality flakes or pellets, supplemented with live or frozen foods like bloodworms, brine shrimp, and daphnia. They are primarily mid-level swimmers, often patrolling the middle sections of the tank while occasionally venturing to the surface or substrate. These fish are semi-aggressive and can be territorial, especially during breeding. They do well in community tanks with similarly sized, non-aggressive fish, but may nip at smaller tank mates. Angelfish prefer a spacious tank of at least 20 gallons with tall plants, driftwood, and hiding spots that mimic their natural habitat. They grow to a maximum size of 6 inches in length and up to 8 inches in height, making vertical swimming space important. Ideal water conditions include a temperature range of 76 to 82 degrees Fahrenheit, 24 to 28 degrees Celsius, and slightly acidic to neutral water. Angelfish are social and often kept in groups. When spawning, they lay eggs on flat surfaces like plant leaves or rocks and actively guard their eggs and fry, demonstrating fascinating parental behavior. Fun fact: angelfish have a unique ability to recognize their surroundings and tank mates, showing signs of intelligence and adaptability. Their striking patterns and colors often change slightly with mood, health, or environmental conditions, making them not just beautiful but also dynamic to observe. Tiger barb. The tiger barb is a small, active, and strikingly beautiful fish native to Southeast Asia, particularly found in Malaysia, Thailand, and Borneo. They are typically found in freshwater rivers and streams, preferring areas with plenty of plants and hiding spots. Tiger barbs are omnivores and will eat a variety of foods, including flakes, pellets, small live foods, and plants. They are social creatures and do best when kept in groups of 6 or more, as they feel more secure and display natural schooling behavior. Tiger barbs are known for their distinct color pattern, which consists of a bright orange body with bold black stripes running across the sides, giving them a tiger-like appearance. These fish typically swim in the middle to top regions of the aquarium, often darting around energetically. They grow to about 2.5 inches in length and have a lifespan of 5 to 7 years, though with proper care, they can live longer. Though generally peaceful, tiger barbs can sometimes exhibit nipping behavior, especially when kept in small groups or with slower, long-finned fish. This makes them best suited for tanks with other active fish that can hold their own. Tiger barbs are also known for their fast swimming and energetic movements, which can make your tank come alive with excitement. Fun fact: tiger barbs are sometimes referred to as the little tigers of the aquarium because of their bold behavior and striking appearance. They are also considered hardy and easy to care for, making them a popular choice for beginners. Swordtail. Swordtail is a vibrant and hardy freshwater fish native to Central America, including rivers and streams in Mexico, Honduras, and Belize. Known for the male's distinct elongated lower tail fin, which resembles a sword, swordtails are a popular choice among aquarists due to their active nature and striking appearance. Swordtails are omnivorous and thrive on a varied like flakes, pellets, algae-based foods, and occasional live or frozen treats like brine shrimp or bloodworms. They are mid-level swimmers and spend much of their time exploring the tank, often darting around in energetic bursts. These fish are peaceful and make excellent additions to community tanks, though males can occasionally display mild territorial behavior toward one another. To reduce aggression, it is advisable to keep a ratio of one male to several females. Swordtails grow to about 4 to 5 inches in length and prefer tanks of at least 20 gallons with plenty of swimming space, plants, and hiding spots. They thrive in water temperatures between 72 to 79 degrees Fahrenheit, 22 to 26 degrees Celsius, with slightly alkaline conditions. Swordtails are live bearers, meaning they give birth to fully formed fry instead of laying eggs. This makes them a favorite for aquarists interested in breeding, as they reproduce relatively easily in captivity. Females are often larger and rounder, while males are slimmer and sport the iconic sword on their tail. Fun fact: the swordtail's sword is not just for show, it plays a role in attracting females. Interestingly, swordtails are closely related to platies, and the two species can even interbreed, producing hybrids with unique color patterns. Platy. The platy is a small, peaceful freshwater fish native to the streams, rivers, and ponds of Central America, particularly Mexico and Honduras. These fish are popular in home aquariums due to their bright colors, hardiness, and friendly temperament. They are often found in a variety of colors, including red, orange, yellow, blue, and even multicolored patterns, making them a vibrant addition to any tank. Platies are omnivores and enjoy a diet that consists of high-quality flakes, pellets, and algae-based foods. They can also be fed live or frozen foods like brine shrimp, daphnia, or bloodworms. Platies are peaceful fish that do well in community tanks with other small, non-aggressive species. They are active swimmers and tend to occupy the middle layers of the aquarium. These fish are live bearers, meaning they give birth to free-swimming fry rather than laying eggs, which makes them particularly easy to breed in a home aquarium. Females are usually larger and rounder than the males, who sport colorful fins and a slimmer body. Platies grow to about 2 to 3 inches in length and thrive in water temperatures between 70 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 21 to 27 degrees Celsius. They prefer slightly alkaline water and do best in tanks with plenty of plants and open swimming space. Platies are social fish and should be kept in groups, as they feel more secure in a school. They are hardy and easy to care for, making them ideal for beginner aquarists. Their peaceful nature and small size make them compatible with a wide range of other species in community aquariums. Fun fact: Platies are closely related to swordtails and can sometimes interbreed with them to produce hybrid offspring. In the wild, they can thrive in a variety of water conditions, from soft to hard water. Their vibrant colors and lively nature make them a favorite. Clownfish. Clownfish, famous for its orange body with white stripes outlined in black, is a popular and beloved saltwater fish species. Native to the warm, shallow waters of the Indo-Pacific region, including the Great Barrier Reef and the Red Sea, clownfish are often associated with anemones due to their unique symbiotic relationship. Clownfish are omnivores and primarily feed on algae, zooplankton, and small invertebrates in the wild. In captivity, they thrive on a diet of high-quality pellets, flakes, and occasional live or frozen foods like brine shrimp, mysis shrimp, or daphnia. These fish are relatively small, growing up to about 4 inches, 10 centimeters, in length, and are best suited for saltwater aquariums of at least 20 gallons. What makes clownfish unique is their relationship with sea anemones. They live among the tentacles of these anemones, which provide protection from predators, while clownfish protect the anemone from predators and clean its tentacles of parasites. Clownfish produce a slimy mucus layer on their bodies, which prevents the stinging cells, nematocysts, of the anemone from harming them. Clownfish are peaceful and can be kept in pairs, as they are monogamous and often form lasting bonds with a single mate. They are social creatures and do well in community tanks with other peaceful fish, though it's essential to avoid keeping them with aggressive species. They prefer warm water temperatures between 75 to 82 degrees Fahrenheit, 24 to 28 degrees Celsius, and slightly alkaline conditions. Fun fact: clownfish are born as males, and in a pair, the dominant fish will change sex to become the female if the original female dies. This fascinating natural phenomenon allows clownfish to adapt and maintain a breeding pair even if one member of the duo is lost. Their popularity was further solidified by their starring role in the animated film Finding Nemo. Rainbow fish. Rainbow fish are a vibrant and colorful group of freshwater fish native to Australia, New Guinea, and parts of Southeast Asia. They are known for their shimmering, iridescent colors that can range from red, blue, and yellow to green and purple, making them a stunning addition to any aquarium. There are several species of rainbow fish, such as the Bozeman's rainbow fish and the neon rainbow fish, each with its own unique color patterns. Rainbow fish are omnivores and thrive on a balanced diet of high-quality flakes, pellets, and live or frozen foods like brine shrimp, daphnia, and bloodworms. In the wild, they feed on small invertebrates, algae, and plant matter. These fish are active and peaceful swimmers, usually staying in the middle to upper levels of the tank. They do best in schools of at least 6 or more, as they are social and feel more secure in groups. Rainbow fish typically grow to about 3 to 6 inches, depending on the species, and they have a relatively long lifespan, living up to 5 to 8 years with proper care. They prefer slightly alkaline water with temperatures between 72 to 78 degrees Fahrenheit, 22 to 26 degrees Celsius, and a well-maintained aquarium with plenty of plants and swimming space. Rainbow fish are known for their hardy nature, making them suitable for beginner aquarists. These fish are peaceful and do well in community tanks with other non-aggressive species. They are active and playful, often displaying their vibrant colors while swimming through plants or around other fish. Fun fact: rainbow fish have been named for their stunning, rainbow-like colors that change and intensify with age, health, and mood. They can even show different colors based on their environment and lighting conditions. Their shimmering appearance is particularly dazzling when the light hits them just right. Rainbow fish are also known for their longevity and can live for several years in a well-maintained tank, providing years of enjoyment for aquarium enthusiasts. Discus fish. Discus fish is a beautifully colorful and sought-after freshwater fish native to the Amazon River basin in South America, particularly in Brazil, Colombia, and Peru. Known for its distinctive, round body shape and vibrant colors, which can range from blue and green to red, yellow, and even white, the discus is often regarded as the king of aquarium fish due to its elegance and beauty. Discus fish are omnivores, feeding on a varied diet that includes high-quality flakes, pellets, and live or frozen foods like bloodworms, brine shrimp, and daphnia. In the wild, they feed on small invertebrates, plankton, and plant matter. These fish are known for their calm and peaceful temperament, although they can be somewhat shy and prefer being kept in schools of 5 or more. They are mid to upper level swimmers and enjoy calm waters with plenty of plants and hiding spots. Discus fish require pristine water conditions to thrive, including slightly acidic to neutral water with temperatures between 82 to 86 degrees Fahrenheit, 28 to 30 degrees Celsius, which is warmer than many other freshwater species. Due to their sensitive nature, they are best suited for aquarists with some experience in maintaining water quality. They grow to about 6 to 8 inches in diameter, though some species can reach larger sizes under optimal care. They have a lifespan of 10 years or more when properly cared for. While discus are peaceful, they can be territorial, particularly during breeding, and are often best kept in tanks with other peaceful fish that are not overly aggressive. A spacious aquarium of at least 55 gallons is recommended to accommodate their size and schooling behavior. Fun fact: one of the most fascinating aspects of discus fish is their ability to produce a unique secretion called discus slime, which helps protect their fry, baby fish, from parasites. The parents secrete this protective slime on their bodies, and the young fry feed on it for the first few days of their life, ensuring their survival in the wild. Gourami. Gourami fish is a diverse group of freshwater fish native to Southeast Asia, particularly in countries like Thailand, India, and Indonesia. Known for their peaceful temperament and beautiful, often iridescent colors, gouramis are a popular choice for both beginner and experienced aquarists. There are many species of gourami, such as the dwarf gourami, blue gourami, and pearl gourami, each with its own unique characteristics and color patterns. Gouramis are omnivores, and in their natural habitat, they feed on small invertebrates, plankton, and plant matter. In captivity, they thrive on a balanced diet that includes high-quality pellets, flakes, and live or frozen foods like brine shrimp, daphnia, and bloodworms. Gouramis are generally mid-level swimmers and are often seen gracefully gliding through the aquarium, exploring plants and structures. Gourami fish are known for their labyrinth organ, which allows them to breathe oxygen from the surface of the water, similar to betta fish. This adaptation allows them to survive in low-oxygen environments such as stagnant ponds or rice paddies. They generally grow to 2 to 6 inches in length, depending on the species, and live for 4 to 6 years with proper care. These fish are peaceful and do well in community tanks with other non-aggressive species. However, male gouramis can be territorial, especially during breeding, so it's best to keep only one male per tank to avoid aggression. Gouramis prefer water temperatures between 74 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 23 to 27 degrees Celsius, and slightly acidic to neutral water conditions. Fun fact: gouramis are often referred to as labyrinth fish because of their unique labyrinth organ, which enables them to gulp air directly from the water's surface. Some species of gourami, such as the kissing gourami, are also known for their interesting behavior of kissing, where they lock lips with other fish, though this is actually a display of dominance rather than affection. Rainbow shark. Rainbow shark, also known as the albino rainbow shark, in its color variant, is a popular freshwater fish native to the rivers and streams of Southeast Asia, particularly Thailand, Laos, and Cambodia. These fish are known for their sleek, torpedo-shaped bodies, which are typically gray or black with vibrant red or orange fins, making them a striking addition to aquariums. Rainbow sharks are omnivores, feeding on algae, plant material, and small invertebrates in the wild. In captivity, they thrive on a varied diet of algae wafers, pellets, flakes, and occasional treats like bloodworms, brine shrimp, or blanched vegetables. These fish are bottom to mid-level swimmers, often found exploring the tank substrate or darting around open areas. While rainbow sharks are generally peaceful, they can be territorial and aggressive toward other bottom-dwelling or similarly shaped fish. To minimize aggression, they should be housed in a large tank, at least 50 gallons, with plenty of hiding spots, rocks, caves, and plants. It is best to keep only one rainbow shark per tank unless the tank is exceptionally large, as they tend to be combative with their own kind. They grow up to 6 inches in length and have a lifespan of 5 to 8 years with proper care. Rainbow sharks are highly active and thrive in well-maintained aquariums with clean, slightly alkaline water. Their bold personality and vivid coloration make them a favorite among aquarists looking for a fish that stands out. Fun fact: despite their name, rainbow sharks are not related to marine sharks. Their shark-like appearance and territorial nature give them the shark moniker. Interestingly, they change coloration slightly based on mood and health, with their fins appearing more vibrant when they are happy and healthy. Iridescent shark. Iridescent shark, also known as the Siamese catfish or striped catfish, is a large freshwater fish native to Southeast Asia, specifically the Mekong and Chao Phraya River basins in countries like Thailand, Vietnam, and Cambodia. Despite the name shark, it is actually a type of catfish and not related to real sharks. The iridescent shark gets its name from the shimmering, metallic-like sheen on its body, which gives it a distinctive and beautiful appearance. This fish is omnivorous, feeding on a variety of foods in the wild, such as smaller fish, plants, and detritus. In captivity, they can be fed a diet consisting of pellets, flakes, frozen foods, and live foods such as worms and shrimp. These fish are known for being bottom dwellers, although they do spend time in the middle layers of the water as well, particularly in larger aquariums. Iridescent sharks are peaceful and can be kept in schools of 3 or more, but due to their potential size, they require a very large tank, at least 200 gallons or more when fully grown. They grow to an impressive length of up to 4 to 5 feet, 1.2 to 1.5 meters, in their natural habitat, though they typically reach around 3 feet in captivity. They can live for up to 15 years or more with proper care, although they are often a challenge to care for due to their size and space requirements. These fish are active swimmers, and they do best in large tanks with plenty of space to move around. Iridescent sharks are also known for their ability to jump, so it is essential to have a secure lid on the aquarium to prevent them from leaping out. Fun fact: despite their impressive size, young iridescent sharks are often sold in pet stores as small, manageable fish, but they quickly grow into giant aquarium dwellers. They are known to be curious and will explore every inch of the tank, often interacting with their environment in fascinating ways. Red-tailed shark. Red-tailed shark, also known as the red-tailed black shark, is a striking freshwater fish native to the rivers and streams of Thailand. In the wild, they inhabit shallow, slow-moving waters with rocky substrates and plenty of vegetation. Unfortunately, they are now considered extinct in the wild due to habitat loss, but they remain a popular species in the aquarium trade due to successful captive breeding programs. Red-tailed sharks are omnivores, feeding on a mix of algae, plant material, and small invertebrates in their natural habitat. In an aquarium, they thrive on a varied diet that includes algae wafers, pellets, flakes, and occasional treats like bloodworms or brine shrimp. They are bottom to mid-level swimmers, spending most of their time near the substrate but occasionally exploring the mid-water. These fish are territorial and can be aggressive, especially toward fish with similar body shapes or coloration. It's best to house them with other semi-aggressive or fast-swimming species in a large tank, at least 50 gallons, with plenty of hiding spots, rocks, and plants to create distinct territories. Keeping only one red-tailed shark per tank is generally recommended to minimize aggression. They grow to about 5 to 6 inches in length and can live for 5 to 8 years with proper care. The red-tailed shark's appearance is captivating, with its jet-black body contrasting sharply against its bright, fiery red tail. This makes it a standout addition to any aquarium, especially when provided with a setup that mimics its natural environment. Fun fact: despite their name, red-tailed sharks are not true sharks. The name comes from their sleek, torpedo-shaped body and upright dorsal fin, which give them a shark-like appearance. Their bold and solitary personality has earned them a reputation as the guardians of the aquarium. Zebra Danio. Zebra Danio is a small, active freshwater fish that is native to South Asia, particularly India, Bangladesh, and Nepal. These fish are popular in aquariums due to their hardiness, vibrant appearance, and easy care. The zebra danio is named for its distinctive horizontal blue or silver stripes, which run across its body, resembling a zebra pattern. These stripes are one of the main reasons zebra danios are so admired by fish keepers, as they add a lively pop of color to aquariums. Zebra danios are omnivores and thrive on a varied diet that includes high-quality flakes, pellets, and live or frozen foods like brine shrimp, daphnia, and bloodworms. In their natural habitat, they feed on small insects, plankton, and plant matter. These fish are active swimmers, often darting around the tank in groups, and they enjoy the middle and upper layers of the aquarium. Zebra danios are social and should be kept in schools of at least 5 to 6 individuals to feel secure and exhibit natural schooling behaviors. They are peaceful and get along well with a wide variety of other small, non-aggressive fish, making them ideal for community tanks. They typically grow to about 1.5 to 2 inches, 3.8 to 5 centimeters, in length and can live for 3 to 5 years with proper care. These fish are relatively hardy and can adapt to a range of water conditions, though they thrive in water temperatures between 64 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 24 degrees Celsius. They prefer slightly acidic to neutral water and do well in aquariums with plants and open swimming space. Fun fact: zebra danios are not only popular as aquarium pets but are also widely used in scientific research, especially in genetics and developmental biology, because of their rapid reproduction and transparent embryos, which make them ideal for studying growth and development. They are also known for their ability to adapt to different environments and can tolerate a variety of water conditions, making them an excellent choice for beginner aquarists. Indian glassfish. Indian glassfish, also known as the glassfish, is a fascinating and visually striking freshwater fish native to the rivers and streams of India and Southeast Asia. The Indian glassfish is famous for its almost transparent body, which gives it a glass-like appearance, making it a popular and unique addition to aquariums. These fish are small, growing to about 2 to 3 inches, 5 to 7 centimeters, in length, and they are peaceful and social creatures, often found in schools of 6 or more in the wild. They are omnivores and enjoy a varied diet of high-quality flakes, pellets, and live or frozen foods like brine shrimp, daphnia, and bloodworms. In their natural habitat, they feed on small insects, zooplankton, and plant matter. They prefer the middle to upper levels of the aquarium, swimming in schools, and are often seen darting around with their delicate, almost invisible bodies. The Indian glassfish is relatively hardy but does require stable water conditions to thrive. They prefer water temperatures between 75 to 82 degrees Fahrenheit, 24 to 28 degrees Celsius, and slightly acidic to neutral water conditions. Because of their transparent bodies, these fish are quite sensitive to water quality, and maintaining good filtration and regular water changes is essential to their health. While these fish are peaceful, they are best kept with other small, non-aggressive species. Their delicate appearance and graceful movements make them ideal for community tanks, but they should not be housed with larger or overly boisterous fish, as they may become stressed or injured. Fun fact: the Indian glassfish's transparent body is due to a lack of pigmentation in its skin, allowing its internal organs and bones to be visible. This transparency is a natural defense mechanism that helps it blend into its surroundings, making it harder for predators to spot. However, due to their delicate nature, they can be challenging to keep in tanks with other aggressive or fast-moving fish, as they may get stressed easily. Rummy-nosed Tetra. Rummy-nosed Tetra is a small and striking freshwater fish native to the Amazon River basin in South America, particularly found in Brazil. Known for its distinctive red nose and shimmering silver body, the rummy-nosed tetra is a favorite among aquarists for its unique appearance and peaceful temperament. Rummy-nosed tetras are omnivores and thrive on a varied diet, including high-quality flakes or pellets, supplemented with live or frozen foods like brine shrimp, daphnia, and bloodworms. In the wild, they feed on insects, plant matter, and small invertebrates. These fish are active and social creatures that prefer to swim in schools, and they are often found schooling together in the middle to upper levels of the aquarium. Their schooling behavior is a beautiful sight as they move together in synchrony, displaying their vibrant colors. Typically growing to around 1.5 to 2 inches, 4 to 5 centimeters, rummy-nosed tetras are small but highly active, and they do best when kept in schools of at least 6 or more to feel secure and exhibit their natural social behaviors. They are peaceful fish that get along well with other small, non-aggressive species, making them ideal for community tanks. Rummy-nosed tetras prefer warm water temperatures between 75 to 84 degrees Fahrenheit, 24 to 29 degrees Celsius, and slightly acidic to neutral water conditions. Rummy-nosed tetras are relatively hardy, but their vibrant coloration can be sensitive to water quality. Regular water changes and good filtration are important to keep them healthy. The bright red coloration of their nose is especially noticeable when the fish is in optimal health, and their fins also have a subtle yellowish hue, adding to their appeal. Fun fact: the intense red color on the rummy-nosed tetra's nose is an indicator of their health and stress level. When they are stressed or unwell, their red nose will fade or turn pale. These fish are also known for their strong schooling behavior, often creating beautiful synchronized movements in the tank. Their stunning color contrast makes them one of the most visually appealing small fish species in aquariums. Shubunkin Goldfish. Shubunkin Goldfish is a vibrant and hardy variety of goldfish that is known for its striking, multicolored scales. Originating in Japan, the Shubunkin is a member of the goldfish family and is a popular choice for pond and aquarium enthusiasts. This variety is particularly admired for its unique combination of colors, including blue, orange, red, and white, often in a marbled pattern. The Shubunkin's long, flowing fins and graceful movements make it a beautiful addition to any aquarium or garden pond. Shubunkin goldfish are omnivores and enjoy a varied diet consisting of high-quality flakes, pellets, and occasional live or frozen treats such as bloodworms, brine shrimp, and daphnia. In the wild, they feed on a variety of plant matter, insects, and small invertebrates. These fish are peaceful and social creatures, often seen swimming around the tank or pond in groups, and they are generally hardy, making them suitable for beginners. Shubunkins can grow relatively large compared to other goldfish varieties, typically reaching about 6 to 8 inches, 15 to 20 centimeters, in length, though they can sometimes grow even larger with ample space and proper care. They can live for many years, with a lifespan of 10 to 15 years, or even longer in ideal conditions. Shubunkin goldfish do best in water temperatures between 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 24 degrees Celsius, and they prefer slightly alkaline to neutral water conditions. They are adaptable to a range of water conditions and are known for their resilience. While shubunkins are generally peaceful, it's important to note that, like other goldfish, they can grow quite large, and they need plenty of space to swim. A tank of at least 30 gallons is recommended for a single shubunkin, with larger tanks or ponds ideal for keeping multiple fish. They thrive in well-filtered water with plenty of swimming space and may even do well in outdoor garden ponds, where they can grow to their full size. Unlike many other goldfish, shubunkins are known for their ability to tolerate cooler water temperatures, which is why they are often kept in outdoor ponds. They are also one of the more active goldfish breeds, and their striking colors can become even more vivid with age and optimal care. Fun fact: Shubunkin goldfish are often considered a symbol of good luck and prosperity in Japanese culture, adding a touch of elegance and positivity to any aquarium or pond. Beacon fish. Beacon fish, also commonly known as the head and tail light tetra, is a small freshwater fish native to the slow-moving rivers, streams, and flooded areas of South America, particularly in the Amazon basin. This fish is a popular choice among aquarists due to its striking appearance and peaceful temperament. The beacon fish gets its name from the bright, reflective spots near its head and tail that resemble glowing lights, adding a unique touch to any aquarium. These spots help distinguish it from other small tetra species. It is an omnivore and enjoys a diet of high-quality flakes, small pellets, live foods like brine shrimp or daphnia, and frozen foods. These fish are schooling species and should be kept in groups of at least 6 or more to ensure they feel secure and display natural behaviors. They prefer to swim in the middle layers of the aquarium and thrive in a well-planted tank with subdued lighting to mimic their natural habitat. They grow to a maximum length of about 2 inches and have a lifespan of 3 to 5 years when cared for properly. Beacon fish are peaceful and make excellent additions to community tanks with similarly sized, non-aggressive fish. They are hardy and relatively easy to care for, making them a great choice for beginner aquarists. Fun fact: the reflective spots on the beacon fish are believed to serve as a form of camouflage, helping them blend into their environment and avoid predators in the wild. In the aquarium, these lights make them stand out beautifully under the right lighting conditions. Hatchet. Hatchet fish is a small, unique freshwater fish belonging to the Gasteropelicidae family, primarily found in the slow-moving rivers and streams of Central and South America, including the Amazon basin. Its name comes from its distinctive body shape, which resembles the blade of a hatchet. This streamlined form helps them glide through the water and makes them a fascinating addition to aquariums. Hatchet fish are surface-dwelling fish that thrive in the upper layers of the water column. They are carnivorous and feed primarily on small insects, larvae, and other invertebrates in the wild. In captivity, they enjoy a diet of high-quality flakes, small pellets, freeze-dried foods, and live or frozen foods such as brine shrimp and daphnia. These fish are schooling species and should be kept in groups of at least 6 or more to feel secure and exhibit natural behaviors. They are relatively small, growing to about 2 inches in length, and are generally peaceful, making them ideal for community tanks with similarly sized, non-aggressive tank mates. Hatchet fish prefer a well-planted aquarium with subdued lighting and a tight-fitting lid, as they are known for their ability to jump out of the water. Their lifespan typically ranges from 2 to 5 years, depending on the care they receive. Hatchet fish require pristine water conditions with a steady temperature between 75 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 24 to 27 degrees Celsius, to thrive. Fun fact: hatchet fish have a unique ability to leap out of the water and fly short distances using their powerful pectoral fins. This behavior, called gliding, helps them escape predators in the wild. In aquariums, the same talent means a secure lid is a must to keep them safely inside. African cichlids. African cichlids are a diverse and vibrant group of freshwater fish native to the lakes and rivers of Africa, particularly the famous Lake Tanganyika, Lake Malawi, and Lake Victoria. These fish are renowned for their striking colors and interesting behaviors. African cichlids come in various shapes, sizes, and colors, from vibrant blues and yellows to bright reds and oranges, making them a popular choice for aquarium enthusiasts. African cichlids are primarily omnivores, but their diet can vary depending on the species. Some species are herbivores and feed on algae and plant material, while others are carnivores, preying on smaller fish and invertebrates. They can be fed with a variety of foods including flakes, pellets, vegetables, and live or frozen foods. They are typically found in the middle to bottom layers of the water in the aquarium. These fish are known for being highly territorial and can be aggressive, especially during breeding seasons. As a result, it is best to keep them in larger tanks with plenty of hiding spots and rocks to create territories. African cichlids prefer to live in groups, but they need space to establish their own areas. They usually grow to between 4 to 8 inches, though some species can grow larger, and their lifespan ranges from 5 to 10 years. African cichlids are intelligent and can be trained to recognize their owners, and they can even learn to interact with their keepers in a unique way. Fun fact about them is that some African cichlid species, like the mbuna from Lake Malawi, are mouthbreeders, meaning they carry their eggs and young in their mouths to protect them until they are ready to swim on their own. This fascinating reproductive strategy is part of what makes African cichlids so interesting to observe in an aquarium. Pearl Danio. The pearl Danio, Danio albolineatus, is a small and colorful freshwater fish native to Southeast Asia, including countries like Myanmar, Thailand, and Indonesia. It is named for its pearly sheen, which shimmers beautifully under the light, with hues of pink, gold, and blue along its slim, streamlined body. These peaceful and active fish are popular among aquarists for their beauty and ease of care. Pearl Danios are omnivorous, feeding on small insects, crustaceans, and plant matter in the wild. In captivity, they thrive on a diet of high-quality flakes or micropellets, supplemented with live or frozen foods like brine shrimp, daphnia, and bloodworms. They are mid to upper-level swimmers and enjoy darting around the tank in schools, adding vibrant movement to the aquarium. These fish are highly social and should be kept in groups of at least 6 or more to feel secure and display their natural schooling behavior. Pearl Danios are peaceful and make excellent tank mates for other small, non-aggressive fish, such as Tetras, Guppies, and Rasboras. They typically grow to about 2 inches, 5 centimeters, in length and live for 4 to 5 years with proper care. Pearl Danios are hardy and adaptable to a wide range of water conditions, making them suitable for beginner aquarists. They prefer water temperatures between 72 to 77 degrees Fahrenheit, 22 to 25 degrees Celsius, and slightly acidic to neutral pH levels. A well-planted tank with open swimming areas will provide them with an environment that mimics their natural habitat. Fun fact: Pearl Danios are known for their rapid swimming and playful behavior, often chasing each other around the tank in a non-aggressive manner. They are also prolific breeders, and in a well-maintained aquarium with appropriate conditions, they may lay eggs on plants or substrates, allowing aquarists to observe their natural reproductive behaviors. Black Phantom Tetra. Black Phantom Tetra is a striking freshwater fish native to the slow-moving rivers and streams of South America, particularly in Brazil and Bolivia. This tetra gets its name from the dark, phantom-like blotches on its body and its elegant, translucent black fins, giving it a mysterious and captivating appearance. Males often have more pronounced black coloration, while females display a slightly lighter tone with a hint of red on their fins. Black Phantom Tetras are omnivorous and thrive on a diet of high-quality flakes, micropellets, and live or frozen foods such as brine shrimp, daphnia, and bloodworms. In their natural habitat, they feed on small insects, crustaceans, and plant matter. These fish are middle-level swimmers and enjoy exploring their environment, often forming tight-knit schools that move in graceful synchrony. They are social creatures that should be kept in groups of at least 6 or more to encourage natural schooling behaviors and reduce stress. These tetras are peaceful and make excellent additions to community tanks with other small, non-aggressive species like Rasboras, Guppies, and Corydoras Catfish. Black Phantom Tetras grow to about 1.5 to 2 inches, 3.8 to 5 centimeters, in length and live for 4 to 6 years with proper care. These fish prefer warm water temperatures between 72 to 79 degrees Fahrenheit, 22 to 26 degrees Celsius, and slightly acidic to neutral water with plenty of plants and hiding spots. They are relatively hardy and easy to care for, making them a good choice for beginner aquarists. A well-planted tank with subdued lighting helps bring out their colors and mimics their natural habitat. Fun fact: Black Phantom Tetras are known for their unique dancing displays during courtship and social interactions. Males will spread their fins and perform an elegant shimmy to show off to females or assert their presence within the group. Their graceful movements and phantom-like appearance make them a mesmerizing species to watch in any aquarium. Neon Tetra. Neon Tetra is one of the most popular and recognizable freshwater aquarium fish, admired for its vibrant, iridescent blue and red coloration. Native to the blackwater streams of the Amazon River basin in South America, particularly in Peru, Colombia, and Brazil, neon tetras thrive in dimly lit, tannin-rich waters with plenty of vegetation. Neon tetras are omnivorous and have simple dietary needs. In their natural habitat, they feed on small insects, larvae, and plant material. In aquariums, they thrive on a varied diet of high-quality flakes, micropellets, and occasional live or frozen foods like brine shrimp, bloodworms, and daphnia. These small fish are mid-level swimmers and are highly social, preferring to stay in schools of at least 6 to 10 individuals, which helps them feel secure and display their natural schooling behavior. Growing to an average length of 1.5 inches, 4 centimeters, neon tetras are peaceful and make excellent tank mates for other small, non-aggressive fish such as Rasboras, Corydoras, and dwarf gouramis. They have a lifespan of about 5 to 8 years when provided with proper care and a stable environment. Neon tetras thrive in water temperatures between 70 to 81 degrees Fahrenheit, 21 to 27 degrees Celsius, and slightly acidic to neutral water, pH 6.0 to 7.0. They prefer aquariums with plenty of plants, open swimming areas, and subdued lighting that mimics their native environment. Because they are sensitive to water quality, regular maintenance, filtration, and water changes are essential to their well-being. Fun fact: neon tetras' bright colors make them stand out in aquariums, but in the wild, these iridescent colors help them stay camouflaged in dappled light, blending with the shimmering reflections of their watery surroundings. Their stunning appearance, peaceful nature, and simple care requirements have made them a favorite among aquarists worldwide for decades. Serpae Tetra. Serpae Tetra, also known as the red minor tetra, is a brightly colored freshwater fish native to South America, particularly in the rivers and streams of Brazil, Paraguay, and Argentina. Its fiery red body, accented by a black spot behind the gills and black-edged fins, makes it a striking addition to any aquarium. Serpae tetras are omnivorous and thrive on a varied diet of high-quality flakes, micropellets, and live or frozen foods like brine shrimp, bloodworms, and daphnia. In their natural habitat, they feed on small insects, plant matter, and organic detritus. These fish are active mid-level swimmers and enjoy being in groups, where they display playful and sometimes competitive behaviors. It's best to keep Serpae tetras in schools of at least 6 to 8 individuals, as this reduces aggression and allows them to exhibit their natural schooling behavior. They grow to about 1.5 to 2 inches, 4 to 5 centimeters, in length and have a lifespan of 5 to 7 years with proper care. Serpae tetras are generally peaceful but may occasionally nip at long-finned or slow-moving fish, so it's important to choose tank mates wisely. They do well in community tanks with other robust, fast-moving species like barbs, danios, and larger tetras. These tetras prefer water temperatures between 72 to 79 degrees Fahrenheit, 22 to 26 degrees Celsius, and slightly acidic to neutral water, pH 5.0 to 7.5. A well-decorated tank with plants, driftwood, and open swimming areas mimics their natural habitat and helps them feel secure. Moderate lighting and subdued surroundings can enhance their vibrant coloration. Fun fact, Serpae tetras are sometimes called jewel tetras because of their brilliant red hue, which becomes even more vivid when they are healthy and comfortable in their environment. Their lively nature and flashes of color make them a popular choice for aquarists looking to add energy and beauty to their tanks. Puffer. Pufferfish, or puffer, is a unique and fascinating family of fish known for their ability to inflate their bodies as a defense mechanism against predators. Puffers are found in both freshwater and marine environments, with species originating from various parts of the world, including Southeast Asia, Africa, and South America. Freshwater puffers, such as the dwarf puffer, are particularly popular in home aquariums. Puffers are omnivorous but require a diet rich in hard-shelled foods like snails, crustaceans, and shellfish to help maintain their sharp teeth, which grow continuously. They also enjoy frozen and live foods such as bloodworms and brine shrimp, and some species may accept prepared pellets or flakes. Puffers are primarily middle to bottom dwellers and spend much of their time exploring their surroundings. Depending on the species, puffers range in size from the tiny dwarf puffer up to 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters to much larger species like the mbu puffer, which can grow over 2 feet, 60 centimeters. Lifespans also vary but generally range from 5 to 15 years with proper care. Puffers are best kept alone or in carefully planned setups due to their territorial and sometimes aggressive nature, especially towards smaller or slower-moving tank mates. Puffers thrive in clean, well-maintained tanks with plenty of space and hiding spots. Freshwater puffers prefer water temperatures between 74 to 82 degrees Fahrenheit, 23 to 28 degrees Celsius, and slightly acidic to neutral water conditions. They are sensitive to poor water quality, so consistent filtration and regular water changes are essential. Fun fact, puffers inflate their bodies by gulping water or air when threatened, making themselves appear larger and less palatable to predators. Interestingly, many puffer species produce a toxin called tetrodotoxin, which is highly poisonous and serves as an additional defense. Despite their defensive abilities, puffers are curious, intelligent fish with distinct personalities, making them a favorite among aquarists who enjoy their quirky behaviors. Rasboras. Rasboras are a diverse group of small, colorful freshwater fish belonging to the Cyprinidae family. They are native to Southeast Asia, where they inhabit slow-moving rivers, streams, and densely vegetated lakes. Among the most popular species for home aquariums are the Harlequin Rasbora, Lambchop Rasbora, and the Chile Rasbora. Rasboras are known for their vibrant colors, active schooling behavior, and peaceful nature. Rasboras are omnivorous and thrive on a varied diet of high-quality micropellets, flakes, and live or frozen foods like brine shrimp, daphnia, and bloodworms. In their natural habitat, they feed on small insects, algae, and organic matter. These fish are mid to upper level swimmers and are highly social, preferring to live in schools of 6 or more, which helps them display their best colors and natural behaviors. Most rasboras are small, with sizes ranging from 0.8 to 2 inches, 2 to 5 centimeters, depending on the species. Their lifespan typically ranges from 3 to 5 years, although proper care, clean water, and a healthy diet can extend their longevity. They are peaceful and ideal for community tanks, getting along well with other non-aggressive species like Tetras, Danios, and dwarf gouramis. Rasboras thrive in warm water temperatures of 73 to 79 degrees Fahrenheit, 23 to 26 degrees Celsius, and slightly acidic to neutral water with a pH of 6.0 to 7.0. A well-planted aquarium with open swimming areas and subdued lighting mimics their natural environment and helps them feel secure. They are hardy fish, making them an excellent choice for beginners. Fun fact, rasboras are often referred to as jewel fish because of their shimmering scales and vivid colors. They are also known for their synchronized schooling behavior, which creates a mesmerizing display as they dart around the tank in unison. Their adaptability and beauty make them a favorite among aquarists. Glowlight Tetra. Glowlight Tetra is a stunning freshwater fish known for its radiant, glowing orange stripe that runs from its snout to the base of its tail. Native to the rivers and streams of Guyana in South America, glowlight tetras thrive in soft, slightly acidic, and tannin-rich waters often shaded by dense vegetation. Their iridescent appearance makes them a favorite among aquarists, especially in tanks with subdued lighting that accentuates their glowing stripe. Glowlight tetras are omnivorous and require a balanced diet of high-quality flakes, micropellets, and live or frozen foods like brine shrimp, daphnia, and bloodworms. In their natural environment, they feed on small insects, crustaceans, and plant debris. These fish are active mid-level swimmers and are happiest in schools of at least 6 to 8 individuals, where they exhibit natural schooling behaviors and feel secure. They typically grow to about 1.5 inches, 4 centimeters, in length and have a lifespan of 3 to 5 years with proper care. Glowlight tetras are peaceful and ideal for community tanks, coexisting well with other small, non-aggressive species such as rasboras, Corydoras catfish, and dwarf gouramis. Glowlight tetras prefer water temperatures between 74 to 82 degrees Fahrenheit, 23 to 28 degrees Celsius, and slightly acidic to neutral water with a pH of 6.0 to 7.5. A well-decorated tank with live plants, driftwood, and gentle filtration provides an ideal environment. Subdued lighting helps highlight their glowing stripe and creates a calming ambience in the aquarium. Fun fact, the glowlight tetra's glowing orange stripe resembles a neon light, earning it the nickname living light bulb among aquarists. In the wild, their shimmering stripe helps them stay visible to their schoolmates while blending in with dappled sunlight filtering through the water. Their tranquil nature and luminous beauty make them a delightful addition to any aquarium. Panda Corydoras. Panda Corydoras is a small, peaceful freshwater fish named for its black and white coloration, resembling a panda bear. Native to the streams and tributaries of the Amazon River basin in Peru, these bottom-dwelling fish are a favorite among aquarists due to their adorable appearance, friendly nature, and excellent tank cleaning habits. Panda Corydoras are omnivores that primarily feed on small invertebrates, detritus, and plant matter in the wild. In an aquarium, they thrive on a diet of sinking pellets, algae wafers, and occasional treats like frozen or live bloodworms, brine shrimp, and daphnia. These catfish are bottom dwellers, spending much of their time scavenging along the substrate for food with their sensitive barbels. These social fish should be kept in groups of at least 4 to 6 individuals, as they are much happier and more active when surrounded by their kind. They are excellent tank mates for community aquariums, getting along well with small, non-aggressive fish like Tetras, Rasboras, and Guppies. Panda Corydoras grow to about 2 inches, 5 centimeters, in length and have a lifespan of 5 to 10 years with proper care. Panda Corydoras thrive in clean water with temperatures between 72 to 78 degrees Fahrenheit, 22 to 26 degrees Celsius, and a slightly acidic to neutral pH, 6.0 to 7.0. They prefer tanks with a sandy or fine gravel substrate to protect their delicate barbels and plenty of hiding spots created by plants, driftwood, or rocks. They are particularly sensitive to poor water quality, so regular water changes and good filtration are essential for their health. Fun fact: Panda Corydoras are known for their playful behavior, often darting around in groups or resting together in amusing positions. They also have a fascinating ability to gulp air from the surface and process it through their intestines, a trait that helps them survive in low-oxygen environments in the wild. Their charming personalities and endearing appearance make them a joy to watch in any aquarium. Corydoras Catfish. Corydoras catfish, often simply called chorus, is a diverse genus of freshwater catfish known for their small size, peaceful nature, and bottom-dwelling habits. Native to South America, these fish are found in rivers, streams, and floodplains across the continent, thriving in sandy or muddy substrates where they forage for food. Popular species include the bronze Corydoras, peppered Corydoras, and Panda Corydoras. Corydoras are omnivores, feeding on a mix of small invertebrates, detritus, and plant material in the wild. In aquariums, they enjoy sinking pellets, algae wafers, and occasional treats like bloodworms, brine shrimp, or daphnia. They are bottom dwellers, using their sensitive barbels to search the substrate for food, and play a valuable role in keeping tanks clean. These social fish thrive in groups of at least 4 to 6, where they exhibit playful and cooperative behaviors. Corydoras are highly peaceful and ideal for community tanks, getting along well with small, non-aggressive species like Tetras, Rasboras, and Guppies. Depending on the species, they grow to between 1.5 and 3 inches, 4 to 7.5 centimeters, in length and can live for 5 to 10 years with proper care. Corydoras prefer water temperatures between 72 to 78 degrees Fahrenheit, 22 to 26 degrees Celsius, and slightly acidic to neutral water, pH 6.0 to 7.5. They thrive in tanks with a soft, sandy substrate to protect their delicate barbels and plenty of hiding spots created by plants, rocks, or driftwood. These fish are sensitive to poor water quality, so regular water changes and good filtration are essential. Fun fact: Corydoras have a unique ability to gulp air from the water's surface and process it in their intestines, a trait that allows them to survive in low-oxygen environments. They are also known for their amusing waddling swimming style and group antics, making them a delight to watch in any aquarium. Their peaceful disposition and hardiness make them a favorite among aquarists of all levels. Oscar fish. Oscar fish, also known as the velvet cichlid or marble cichlid, is a large and intelligent freshwater fish native to the slow-moving rivers, streams, and floodplains of South America, particularly in the Amazon basin. Known for their striking coloration, Oscars often display shades of black, orange, and red, with a characteristic eye spot near their tail fin, which helps deter predators in the wild. Oscar fish are omnivorous, feeding on small fish, insects, crustaceans, and plant matter in their natural habitat. In aquariums, they thrive on a varied diet of high-quality pellets, live or frozen foods like shrimp and worms, and occasional vegetables. They are voracious eaters and will actively seek out food, often recognizing their owners and responding when it's feeding time. These cichlids are territorial and semi-aggressive, requiring a large tank of at least 75 gallons to accommodate their active swimming and substantial size. Oscars grow quickly and can reach lengths of 12 to 14 inches, 30 to 36 centimeters, with a lifespan of 10 to 20 years when cared for properly. While they can coexist with similarly sized or hardy tank mates like other cichlids or plecos, care must be taken to avoid housing them with smaller fish, as Oscars may view them as prey. Oscar fish prefer water temperatures between 74 to 81 degrees Fahrenheit, 23 to 27 degrees Celsius, and slightly acidic to neutral water, pH 6.0 to 8.0. They are relatively hardy but produce a lot of waste, making efficient filtration and regular water changes essential. They enjoy a spacious tank with hiding spots created by rocks or driftwood but are known to rearrange decorations to their liking. Fun fact: Oscars are among the most intelligent freshwater fish, often developing strong bonds with their owners. They can recognize faces, follow movements, and even learn simple tricks like jumping for food. Their playful, dog-like behavior and vibrant appearance make them a popular choice for experienced aquarists looking for a personable and engaging pet fish. Cherry barb. Cherry barb is a small, peaceful freshwater fish native to Sri Lanka, where it inhabits slow-moving rivers, streams, and shallow waters. Known for its bright, cherry-red coloration, this species is a popular choice for aquarium enthusiasts due to its striking appearance and calm nature. While males are typically the brightest, exhibiting a vibrant red hue, females are usually a more subtle, pale gold or light brown color. Cherry barbs are omnivorous and enjoy a varied diet that includes high-quality flakes, micropellets, and live or frozen foods like brine shrimp, bloodworms, and daphnia. In their natural habitat, they feed on small invertebrates, plant material, and algae. They are peaceful, active swimmers that occupy the middle to upper levels of the aquarium. These fish are best kept in schools of at least 6 or more individuals, as they feel safer and display more natural behaviors when in groups. Cherry barbs typically grow to about 2 inches, 5 centimeters, in length and have a lifespan of 3 to 5 years when properly cared for. They are non-aggressive and make excellent tank mates for other small, peaceful fish like Tetras, Rasboras, and Corydoras. Cherry barbs prefer water temperatures between 72 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 22 to 27 degrees Celsius, and slightly acidic to neutral water with a pH of 6.0 to 7.5. A well-planted tank with open swimming areas and soft, fine gravel or sand substrate is ideal for these fish. They are hardy and adaptable but should be kept in an aquarium with clean, stable water conditions, as they are sensitive to poor water quality. Fun fact: the cherry barb's vibrant red color is most pronounced when the fish is healthy and happy, especially in the presence of natural light or when they are in breeding condition. During mating displays, males may intensify their coloration to attract females, creating an impressive spectacle in the aquarium. Their peaceful nature and lively schooling behavior make them an enjoyable addition to any community tank. Plecostomus. Plecostomus, also commonly known as the common pleco or suckerfish, is a large, hardy freshwater fish native to the rivers and streams of South America, particularly in the Amazon and Orinoco River basins. Known for their distinctive armor-like plating and sucker-shaped mouths, plecos are often valued in aquariums for their ability to help keep tanks clean by feeding on algae and detritus. Plecos are primarily herbivores, and their diet consists mainly of algae, plant matter, and detritus. In the aquarium, they can be fed algae wafers, sinking pellets, blanched vegetables like zucchini, cucumber, and spinach, and occasional protein-based foods like bloodworms. Their sucking mouth allows them to attach to surfaces, scraping off algae from rocks, driftwood, and tank glass. These fish are bottom dwellers and are known for their peaceful nature, although they can become territorial as they grow larger. Plecos are excellent tank mates for other peaceful fish, but can be too large or territorial for smaller or delicate species. They can grow quite large, typically reaching lengths of 12 to 15 inches, 30 to 38 centimeters, in home aquariums, with some individuals growing even larger in the wild. With proper care, plecos can live up to 10 to 15 years. Plecostomus prefer warmer water temperatures between 75 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 24 to 27 degrees Celsius, and slightly acidic to neutral water with a pH of 6.5 to 7.5. A tank with a sandy or fine gravel substrate is ideal for them, as it protects their sensitive underbelly. They enjoy having driftwood or other hard surfaces to graze on and hide in, making a well-decorated tank important for their well-being. As they produce a lot of waste, efficient filtration and regular water changes are essential to maintaining their health. Fun fact, the pleco's characteristic sucker mouth isn't just for cleaning, it also helps them stay attached to surfaces in fast-moving waters, preventing them from being swept away. Despite their size, they are generally peaceful, and they often become a favorite for aquarists who appreciate their gentle nature and natural algae cleaning abilities. However, their large size means they require plenty of space, making them better suited for larger aquariums. Kuhli Loach. Kuhli Loach is a fascinating and unique freshwater fish native to the muddy rivers, streams, and swamps of Southeast Asia, particularly in countries like Indonesia, Malaysia, and Thailand. Known for its eel-like appearance and vibrant, striped pattern, the Kuhli Loach is a popular choice for aquarists looking for a peaceful and active bottom dweller. These fish are often referred to as Kuhli Loaches or candy-striped loaches due to their distinctive yellow and black or brown vertical stripes. Kuhli Loaches are omnivores and primarily feed on small invertebrates, worms, detritus, and organic matter in their natural habitat. In the aquarium, they thrive on a diet of sinking pellets, algae wafers, bloodworms, daphnia, and live or frozen foods. Despite their preference for bottom-dwelling habitats, they are also known to scavenge and explore all areas of the tank for food. These fish are highly social and do best in groups of at least 5 to 6 individuals, as they feel more secure and exhibit their natural behaviors when kept in schools. They are peaceful and shy, often spending most of their time hiding in the substrate or among plants, rocks, and driftwood. Kuhli Loaches grow to about 4 inches, 10 centimeters, in length and live for around 6 to 10 years with proper care. Kuhli Loaches prefer warm water temperatures between 75 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit, 24 to 29 degrees Celsius, and slightly acidic to neutral water with a pH of 6.0 to 7.5. They thrive in tanks with a soft, sandy substrate to protect their delicate bodies, as they like to burrow and search for food. Providing plenty of hiding spots, such as plants, caves, or driftwood, helps them feel safe and comfortable. As they are bottom dwellers, regular water changes and efficient filtration are important to maintain a healthy environment. Fun fact, Kuhli Loaches are known for their playful and curious nature, especially when they are in groups. They have a remarkable ability to wiggle their way through tight spaces and burrow into the substrate, making them fascinating to watch as they explore. Their eel-like movement and peaceful demeanor, along with their interesting appearance, make them a popular choice for aquarists looking to add a unique and lively species to their aquarium. Clown Loach. Clown Loach is a vibrant and lively freshwater fish native to the slow-moving rivers and streams of Southeast Asia, particularly in Indonesia and Malaysia. Known for its striking orange and black vertical stripes, which resemble a clown's costume, this species is a popular choice among aquarists for its playful personality and beautiful appearance. The clown loach is a member of the loach family and is often recognized by its distinctive elongated body and large, sharp spines near the dorsal fin, which are used for defense. Clown loaches are omnivorous, and in the wild, they feed on a diet consisting of small invertebrates, worms, crustaceans, and plant matter. In an aquarium, they thrive on a varied diet of high-quality flakes, sinking pellets, and occasional live or frozen foods like bloodworms, brine shrimp, and Daphnia. They are particularly fond of eating snails, which makes them useful in tanks that need snail control. These fish are social and should be kept in groups of at least 3 to 6 individuals, as they feel more comfortable and exhibit their natural behavior when in schools. They are active and often swim together in a playful manner, making them an entertaining addition to community tanks. Clown loaches grow quite large, reaching up to 12 inches, 30 centimeters, in length, and can live for 10 to 15 years with proper care. Clown loaches prefer warm water temperatures between 75 to 86 degrees Fahrenheit, 24 to 30 degrees Celsius, and slightly acidic to neutral water with a pH of 6.0 to 7.5. They thrive in tanks with a soft, sandy substrate, as they enjoy rooting around in the substrate and scavenging for food. Providing plenty of hiding spots with plants, caves, and driftwood will make them feel secure and comfortable. As they are active and can produce a fair amount of waste, regular water changes and good filtration are essential for their health. Fun fact: despite their size, clown loaches are peaceful and non-aggressive. They are also very curious and often display amusing behaviors, like playing with objects in the tank or swimming upside down. Their bold colors and entertaining antics make them a favorite among aquarists, though it's important to remember that they require plenty of space as they grow. Their tendency to eat snails makes them a natural pest control in aquariums, adding an extra benefit for tank owners. Blue ram. Blue ram, also known as the German blue ram, is a small, colorful freshwater cichlid native to the Orinoco River basin in Venezuela and Colombia. Famous for its striking blue and yellow coloration, this fish is a popular choice among aquarium enthusiasts. Males are typically more vibrant with brilliant shades of blue on their bodies and fins, while females tend to have more subtle coloration with a yellow or orange hue. Blue rams are known for their peaceful, yet territorial behavior, making them ideal for smaller community tanks. Blue rams are omnivorous and in their natural habitat, feed on small invertebrates, worms, algae, and plant material. In an aquarium, they should be offered a varied diet of high-quality pellets, flake food, live or frozen foods like brine shrimp, bloodworms, and Daphnia, as well as occasional blanched vegetables. They are not particularly demanding in terms of food but do benefit from a balanced, nutrient-rich diet. These cichlids typically grow to about 2 to 3 inches, 5 to 7.5 centimeters, in length and can live for 3 to 4 years with proper care. They are peaceful but can become territorial, especially during breeding periods. Blue rams are best kept in pairs or small groups of similar-sized peaceful fish, such as Tetras, Guppies, or Corydoras. They thrive in warm water temperatures between 78 to 84 degrees Fahrenheit, 25 to 29 degrees Celsius, and slightly acidic to neutral water with a pH of 6.0 to 7.5. Blue rams prefer well-planted aquariums with plenty of hiding spots and soft, sandy or fine gravel substrates. They enjoy having space to establish territories, particularly during breeding. Due to their sensitivity to water quality, they require regular water changes and good filtration. Water hardness should be kept low, as blue rams are not tolerant of hard water and can be prone to diseases like itch if water quality is poor. Fun fact: the blue ram is known for its vibrant colors, which can be even more pronounced during breeding displays. During courtship, the male will often display its brightest colors to attract a female, making for a beautiful and lively scene in the tank. Blue rams are also relatively easy to breed in captivity under the right conditions, and they can lay eggs on flat surfaces such as rocks or leaves. Their small size, attractive colors, and peaceful nature make them a favorite among aquarists who want a colorful and captivating centerpiece fish for their tank. Electric blue ram. Electric blue ram is a striking and selectively bred color morph of the regular blue ram, native to the Orinoco River Basin in South America. This morph is popular in the aquarium trade for its vibrant and electric blue coloration, which is more intense and metallic compared to the regular blue ram. The electric blue ram is sought after for its dazzling appearance and peaceful temperament, making it a favorite among hobbyists looking for a small, colorful fish for community tanks. Its diet consists of small invertebrates, plant matter, and algae in the wild. In aquariums, they are best fed a varied diet that includes high-quality flake food, sinking pellets, and occasional live or frozen foods like bloodworms, brine shrimp, and daphnia. While they do not require much in the way of special foods, they benefit from a nutrient-rich, well-balanced diet to maintain their bright coloration. This fish grows to a maximum length of about 2 to 3 inches, 5 to 7.5 centimeters, and has a lifespan of around 3 to 4 years when cared for properly. These fish are peaceful and non-aggressive, making it an excellent choice for community aquariums with other small, calm fish like Tetras, Rasboras, and Corydoras. However, they are best kept in pairs or small groups, as they can sometimes become territorial, especially during breeding. They prefer warm water temperatures between 78 to 84 degrees Fahrenheit, 25 to 29 degrees Celsius, and slightly acidic to neutral water with a pH of 6.0 to 7.5. Soft, well-planted tanks with plenty of hiding spots are ideal for them, as they enjoy a tank with natural decorations such as driftwood, plants, and caves. They are sensitive to water quality, so regular water changes and good filtration are essential to keep them healthy. Fun fact: the electric blue ram's vibrant, electric blue color is a result of selective breeding and is often considered one of the most eye-catching and vibrant color morphs in the aquarium trade. However, this intense coloration also makes them more susceptible to stress and water quality issues, so it's important to maintain a stable and clean environment. When in breeding condition, males will intensify their colors to attract females, making their already stunning appearance even more dramatic. Thanks for joining us on this underwater adventure. We hope you found some new fishy friends to add to your tank. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more aquarium tips and fun facts.